In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Elementor. If you're looking to enhance your website with a dynamic video feature, this guide will help you seamlessly integrate YouTube content into your Elementor-powered site, making it more engaging for your visitors. First, open your desired page in the Elementor editor. You'll be greeted by the intuitive drag-and-drop interface that Elementor is renowned for. Here, you'll find a variety of widgets at your disposal to build your page just the way you like it. Next, in order to embed your YouTube video, you'll need to drag the video widget onto your layout. Simply locate the video widget from the panel on the left side and drag it over to the section of your page where you want your video to appear. This widget is your gateway to integrating a host of video content seamlessly. Now, let's focus on the Content panel. In this section, you'll want to set the source to YouTube. This tells Elementor that you'll be using a YouTube video to fill this widget. Following that, you'll paste the video URL into the designated field. For example, you should enter something like https www.youtube watch the video ID. This URL is what connects your page to the specific YouTube video you want to share with your audience. Additionally, the Content panel offers optional settings to further tailor how your video will behave on your site. Here, you have the freedom to set start and end times for your video. Perhaps you only want to show a specific segment rather than the entire video. This is where you can make that adjustment. You can also decide if the video should autoplay when the page is opened, if it should remain muted, or if it should loop and play continuously. Lazy load is a useful option too. Enabling it ensures your video only loads when it's about to be viewed, helping to optimize your page's performance. With the initial settings configured, let's move on to the Style tab. In this section, you can customize the appearance of your video further. Adjust the aspect ratio to fit your design needs, whether it's the traditional 4:3 or the more modern 16:9. You can also alter filters or swap out the play icon to better align with your brand's aesthetic. If you find that you need more advanced customizations, the Advanced tab is your playground. Here, you can tweak the positioning, adjust margins, and apply various effects for that extra touch of personalization. Once all your settings are finalized, be sure to click Update. This saves all your hard work. It's always a good idea to preview your page to ensure that your video displays exactly as you intend. This careful attention to detail will result in a polished and professional final product.